Somehow surveys reached only 8 people. It is not reached all nine. Ui. Only 7 minutes to go. Dun. 1% completed. Super fast. Five more minutes. Take your time, think, and answer. Because I don't know. This is like I believe this session is going to like completely learning something which is useful for you in your routine professional career as well as the personal life. That is the ultimate aim of ADRC to develop self as well as the society. So use this time as a like recollecting the information so that you will remember when you are after this session. If you want to use at some place, you can use it also. 4 more minutes. Almost 50% of people completed. 3 more minutes. 2.5. I don't know what happened. So I think one person still doing, or is not doing, I don't know, but let us wait for one more minute. Okay, so I just send you the feedback form. Whenever you get time, just fill it out and share the feedback on this particular session. So there are many sessions we actually not shared the feedback forms, but for now this is included. Maybe whenever you get time, just give your feedback on this particular session. It is 1 minute. I don't know. He's trying again. Reconnected. I don't know. Okay, 1 minute to go. And the other link shared by Balaji also, I'm just copying because it is disconnected at that time. So you can use this also. I think maybe it is because of network issue. I can still seeing one person in same person at two different location. What to do? I don't know. Okay, 30 seconds only. I don't know through which. Only 25 seconds. So you can use these links. Apart from this, I like to share one more link about that Wind Atlas. That is also going to help you. Global Wind Atlas. Oops. This also you can use it. Initial site assessment related, preliminary analysis, everything you can use it. Okay. So it's done. Okay. Now you might receive the results of you. Correct? Yes. You can just message me if you got this. Yes. Okay. So most of you answered perfectly. I just going through the things like okay, 8 of 9, 7 of 9, 8 of 9. I think 8 people attended. I think one person is 2 times repeated. Visagan. Okay, maybe 2 usernames like that. And for I'm just going through the one questions. What are the wind industry softwares introduced today? I think 3. I think most of us answered right. And for the second question, number of major data tools provided by WASP. 5 numbers. I think 5 people are attended perfectly. Answer. 2 are missed in numbers. It will happen, no problem. Windographer used for all the above. Okay, right. And then coming to the next answer, windographer used for what purpose? 7 are accurately answered. And then coming for the windographer capable to analyze only MetMask data. So almost 5 people answered correctly. And coming to we can get the report in the WinForm Word format from windographer. No. Then WASP Climate Analyst is a freeware utility tool. True. Yes. And then WASP uses DAS for flow modeling, digital terrain maps. Okay, and then 3D perspective view of the terrain possible through WASP. Yes, most of you answered right, 100%. Power curve, what is available in the x-axis, y-axis, and 7 people means 90% answered correctly. Standard density value, yes, 6 people answered rightly. CFD, this question was asked by during the session. So could you also ask this question? So now almost 100% everybody answered. AEP stands for wow. Okay, so that is the reason annual energy production. Okay, there are 5 people answer right. WASP engineering used to calculate wind condition for A and C. 5 people answer correct. Okay, site suitability for wind farm assessment can be done by WAT. Okay, just missed it. Yeah, most of them WASP from WASP, particularly this particular tool. Most of us missed it in that. Okay, no problem. I think these answers are with you, so you can use it. I will also save these results for me. Okay, so thank you very much for this. Now I hope this questionnaire will be useful. I already shared the feedback form and Wind Atlas related link. Other thing is like just to share you the next month what we are planning. So that is very important. Can you see my screen now? What is the next month plan? Yes? Okay. So it is like next month we have 5 weeks following. So, and first time we are getting the external people to interested to present here as a presenter. On 9th August 20, Kudiyarsu is going to present IIoT enabling and digital transformation. Next week we are going to share audio recording editing software, open source software, which is going to helpful for many people who interested to deliver the knowledge through only audio format, and then using that audio format they can make the video by using the images and all, which we learn through the video editing software previous month. Then combinedly you can deliver the videos without even you can without only by giving your voice. So quality recording, editing, all these things can be done by this audio editing software. And then coming to 16th August, Indian renewable energy sector overview. This is like presenting the latest report from the government on 16th, especially for renewable energy sector, how we are doing and everything. On 23rd August, sustainable development goal, climate action related thing. 30th August, OGD India. So it is like open source government data across the globe available. For India, how it is available, how we can use it, and what are the way it will helpful. This we can see on 30th. Other than that, for inner peace meditation session, every Thursday and Saturday we have sessions on 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So these all sessions every Sunday 10:30 a.m. as we are conducting now. I hope can you give me info about asset monitoring softwares if you are interested? Somebody is asking this. Okay. Can you give info about asset monitoring software if you are interested? We have any software you can suggest. If it is available we can present, or if you are having knowledge on that particular software you can also present. Okay, so Manimaran, that you can use it. If you have the software you can present it about the software and interested. And like if not, you can suggest what software available externally, then we can also identify some information and share. Asset management is a bigger terminology. We are seeing small part by part of wind energy. Maybe this year end something like that we can come to that part. Like asset management, it cover everything, right? So maybe some particular part only we might be working, but it is going to cover everything. So if you are interested, please you can give, and maybe in the month of September we can allot some schedule. Okay, so He is trying to speak, but we are not hearing. What happened? I think we are not mute anyone. Manimaran. Manimaran. But we are not hearing anything. Is somebody hearing about Manimaran voice? Maniman, you are unmute, but your voice is not audible. Because it's not showing any indication. Okay, no problem. We can make a call. It is my number. Then we can discuss offline. Then we can decide. Okay. Thank you very much. And if you have any new ideas like this, what he said and this, and any questions or anything related which will help for sustainable development, please feel free to share at any time. That will be going to contribute to all the people. Take your time and give your feedback whenever you get time. That will also helpful to plan in future sessions in better way. I thank everyone for being part of sustainable development, especially you are working in renewable energy sector. You are already part of sustainable development. Thank you all. And share the knowledge to more people. That will help to develop ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you.
Prabharan, any questions for you?